Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel to learn C language. Okay. Today's topic is session 1, history of C language. History of C language. Okay. C language is C language is C language is designed and written. C language is designed and written by Dennis Ritchie. C language is designed and written by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972 at 80 at 80 and C language is designed and written by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at 80 and Bell's Bell's Lab of USA. C language is designed and written by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at 80 and Bell's Lab of USA. Earlier, this language is known as BCPL. Dennis Ritchie is developed C language in 1972. BCPL stands for basic. BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. BCPL stand earlier this language is known as BCPL. This language become very popular. BCPL language become very popular when compared with other languages. BCPL language become very popular when compared with other languages, COBOL and Fortran. COBOL and Fortran. COBOL stands for BCPL language becomes very popular. COBOL and Fortran. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. Okay, please subscribe my channel to get more knowledge on C and Java. Fortran stands for formula translation. Formula translation. C formula translation. Fortran C language is very easy compared with other languages. C language is very easy compared with other languages like Co COBOL, Fortran. Like C language is very easy compared with COBOL and Fortran because very easy telling in this coding is very less compared with COBOL and Fortran to execute it, to develop one application. C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. C language is C language is known as procedure. C language is known as procedure oriented language. C language is known as structure oriented language. C language is known as procedure oriented language, structure oriented language. Structure of C language. Structure of C program. Documentation section, linkage section, definition section, global declaration section, main method, documentation section, linkage section, definition section, global declaration section, main method, declaration part, execution part. Close main. Main open. This is open bracket. Finally, main method closed. Close bracket. Program means a set of instructions or statements. A set of instruction or statements written in sequence order. A set of instruction written in sequence order is known as to execute a program. Sorry, a set of instruction statements written in sequence order to do particular task is known as program. A set of instruction written in sequence order to do particular task is called program. Example, int a equal to 5 means a is the integer type of data. A is the integer type of data. To store any value, we use variable. We use variable to store value. Different data types in C. Different data types in C. Heading. Data type, format, size. Data types are int, float, char. Int into format, percentile D, size 2 bytes, char percentile F, percentile C, carry, char, size 1 byte, float, percentile F, size 2 4 bytes, int size 2 bytes, char size 1 byte, float size 4 bytes. Format percentile D for int, percentile C for char, percentile F for float. Into values, example 7, 8, 2, etc. 5, 7 without decimal point is known as integer. Float values with decimal points 7.8, 6.8 with decimal points. Char example, char equal to single quotes A, single quotes B, single quotes C. We should write like this: int equal to float equal to. For float we can assign these values, for int we can assign without decimal point, for char we should use single quotes. Please like, share, subscribe for my channel for more updates, to for more videos of Java and C. Please subscribe my channel.